Hi, I'm going to be walking you through how to update the typography throughout your website and how to update your color palette. So let's get started. We're going to start with updating the typography, which is this font that you see throughout your whole website. So your brand's font will be the typography that we're changing. So we're going to go into settings up here in the top corner and go to this typography section. Here you can see we've set the headline font and the content font. On this template, we've set it to pop-ins, but you can change it to whatever you want. There's tons and tons of Google fonts to choose from. If you don't have a Google font that you know you want, go to fonts.google.com, I believe it is, and you can scroll through their fonts and see which ones you like, and then you can find them in this list here and use those. So you can set the headline font, which will be this big font that you see throughout the headlines, and then the content font, which is more of these paragraph sections. We just have them the same for this one, but you can mix it up, get creative. So once you have the typography set, something that you're going to want to go through is updating all of this color. So in all of the templates that we have, we've created some custom colors for you, which you'll see at the very end of the spectrum. So after this dark transparency, these are all the custom colors that we've made. So what you can do is you can go in, go to an element, go to the color, and if you click on the color, this little update icon will show up. You can hit the update icon and put in your new hex number here. So once you put in that new hex number, I'll just put in our Louology teal, which I know off the top of my head, and hit update. It's going to go ahead and update that color on that element, but it's also going to update any other elements that also use that color. So that can be really helpful to streamline updating all of your websites so that you don't have to go in one by one. But you can go in one by one and just decide what color you want. Maybe you want it this one, or I don't know, whatever you want. The world is your oyster. So that's how you update the colors. If you want to add any more colors, if you have like 15 colors in your color palette, you can go to the element, go to the colors, and then hit didn't find your color, add a custom one, and you can add another one. So I'll just add this beautiful color to our color palette. And there it is. So that's it for updating your typography and updating your colors. One more thing I should note is on every single page of your website, which you can find the pages right here in this icon, you're going to have to go into every single page and update the typography and the color palette to match your brand. So that's it for that.